Hello everyone and welcome back. And this review is going to be of an exclusive First Editions bus, and this is a very different bus from a lot of the other buses that I've shown in the other reviews. This one is an AEC Renown bus, Northern NBC, and the model number is 30604. So I'm going to get right on into this one. So this looks like an old-fashioned type of bus. Not too sure what era, but a lot different from some of the ones that I've seen today. Looks almost a bit like an old-fashioned Route Master, but it's a little different. So, as you can see right by the front, you got the doors at the front. And then I'm going to zoom in. So, join the big fuel saver. I'm not too sure. Little drawing right next to it, that's pretty cool. Save it, that's pretty cool. And then bus stop, oh, that's pretty cool. Nice drawing on that. I'm gonna zoom out. It's a pretty old-fashioned. Shop at bins, and then it looks like an emergency exit door right there at the bottom, which is pretty cool. Bringing it back around to the other side now. Basically the same thing, just there's no door on this side. Right here where the driver sits, I think this looks like maybe possibly a door where they would get in and out of, which is pretty cool. Even though it doesn't open, I think right around there is where the driver would get in and out of. And then, here we go from the front. Shop at bins, wall send, number 302. And this is kind of where it makes me think of an old-fashioned Route Master, just from the front part of this. Looking at where the driver sits, and then you see right where the engine compartment is along the side. That's kind of what makes me think of it, because that's how the old-fashioned Route Master buses used to look at the front. So that's pretty cool. It's got that detail on it, and it looks that way. Also, it's got a windshield wiper. I don't know if you can tell. Zoom in. Yeah, it's hard to tell. But there's like a windshield wiper right where the driver sits. That's pretty cool. And then turning it back around this way. So this is a really cool bus. It looks very old-fashioned. Not too sure what era it's from, but it's a pretty nice looking one. I don't know how long ago or how recent exclusive First Editions made this one, but it's a pretty cool one. I got it a few years ago from a seller, and I really like it. It's really nicely detailed and looks very old-fashioned, so it's a pretty cool bus. It's a really nice one. I like the color on it, like that it's yellow. It's pretty nicely detailed for this model. I'd give it a 10 just because of how old-fashioned it looks and the detailing on it. It's a pretty nice bus, so it's an awesome one. Not too sure where you'd find it. You might have luck finding it on eBay, but it's a pretty nice looking one, so it's a really cool one. I can't really think of very many places that carry these types of buses, but it's a pretty cool one for a 1/76 scale model, so I would give it a 10. Hope you guys enjoyed this review, and please stay tuned for the next one.